So we are starting this evening routine in the afternoon because this video would have been like 1 minute long if I started at 7 p.m. So I typically edit the whole day until around 3:30 and then I start yelling at my whole family to do our family workout together.
Workout? Right now? Yandala! Mommy? Mommy? Peanut butter jelly sandwich or workout?
But of course I needed a pre-workout snack and there's nothing better than some popcorners before a sweaty workout.
I didn't even say roll over!
What are you eating? So, seeing my dad have a snack made me hungry too, so I munched on some granola.
Smiling? Are you smiling because you got nuts?
Already.
Are you ready to work out?
Breaking news got me breaking.
So my family has been doing this workout program called T25 for the past month, and their goal is basically just kill everyone in 25 minutes, and honestly, they succeeded.
On some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul.
No! This word always works!
Dewey 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down general.
Waves crashing in the hearts that break, pouring in the new escapes. Longing for what you can't explain.
Mama, you're free. Go upstairs.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon?
So we basically have 3 bathrooms and 4 people, so we kind of just rotate bathrooms depending on the day. So today was a much needed hair shower day. Typically I only like to shower 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how lazy I am and how much I sweat. For shampoo and conditioner and even skincare, I'm really not that picky. I just use whatever is on sale at the drugstore or whatever my parents end up buying. And then my friend dropped off a little gift for me after my shower, and it was the cutest thing in the entire world. You're so cute! Why? Oh my god! You got me the ice cream! Bye, Sandy! Hey, you're so nice! Bye! Love you!
She's so sweet. Yeah. She got it.
Burke, I can't do that. That's impossible.
Now go on carrot. Sit. Down. Are you happy now?
So yes, for dinner tonight we wanted to go for like a Korean vibe, so we wanted to try to make bibimbap, which is basically like rice, veggies, and some type of protein with bibimbap sauce, I think. So I tossed together the bibimbap sauce while my mom prepared the veggies while I watched Modern Family, my favorite.
Thanks, Mom.
And then it was time to make the japchae, well, attempt to make the japchae. Japchae is like this glass noodle dish with tons of veggies and like a saucy thing. And we topped it with eggs, cilantro, and sesame seeds. If I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm kind of impressed with myself. It looks pretty delicious and very Korean, so I think it was a success.
And I grin whenever my shot goes in. This is my show when I'm taking over again. To my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real.
Hi, Mommy.
All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel. Ain't showing how the sidelines feel.
Hello.
All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs.
everything they wanted, but they still gon' take my picture. Yeah, they wanna see.
Film me.
You happy now?
It's not important, baby. I've been trying to take it all.
Rate it out of 10. No, you have to mean it.
If I've been avoiding, will feel like shit. Whoever said they get lonely at the time.
It's real.
All by themselves and they had no one to take their place.
Jordan, this is my show and I'm taking over again to my highlight reel and showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the ducks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel.
And after dinner today, because it was so beautiful outside, I decided to be silly with my dog on the porch for a little bit and soak up some of the sun.
Excuse me.
Well, your butt is in the way. Excuse me, sir.
So earlier that day I tried to upload a video and it failed 3 times, so that's why I look angry and confused and upset, but in the end everything worked out and it uploaded and I was happy again.
Wow, this always gives me so much anxiety.
I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they
Wanna
never
play?
gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control.
So we decided to rewatch Crash Landing on You for the second time, and honestly it was just as good as the first time. I'm obsessed and want to marry the male actor, I'm not even kidding.
Baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always plan for you. Don't worry.
Isn't he like the perfect man? Look at me like that. Okay, I have my ice cream.
So I'm worried I ain't doing too well.
And then I put on my really old ugly need to be thrown out slip-on Vans and went on our daily family walk.
Are you ready for a walk? Let's go.
It's just so easy when everybody talks so carefully, and you're my melatonin daydream. Pretend you don't, but you know, you know, you know, you know.
Hi, Mommy.
They all want you. There's nothing else you really can do, and if you could, you wouldn't want to. Oh, I know, I know, I know, I know, I
I'm not gonna like them.
know. Jane.
I'm hoping you'll say something.
And then we just typically watch something as a family, a movie, a TV show, YouTube, until they get tired and leave me and go upstairs.
Really soft.
You dropped it? What happened?
Yeah, so once they leave me, that kind of gives me the chance to get some more work done. I set an alarm for 11:30 because I try not to stay up too late. So now I just take the time to finish up some editing, writing a script for a video, planning another video, responding to emails, whatever it is. And every single day I try to take 30 minutes out of the day to respond to your comments on my videos. And I just want to say I see every single one of your comments, guys, and I appreciate all of you so much. If I could respond to all of you, I truly would. Just know that just because I don't respond doesn't mean I don't love you guys, because every comment I read makes me so happy. You guys are honestly so amazing, so thank you for everything. Anyways, after that I'll probably just get distracted and snap some of my friends, or just be silly and stalk some people on Instagram or Visco. You know how it is. And once it hits 11:30, sometimes I will stay downstairs until 1 a.m. working on YouTube and editing, but today was a good day and I said goodbye to my editing and headed upstairs to get ready for bed. once I get into bed, I wish I could say I read or meditate or something like that, but I honestly just relax and go on social media. I repost your pancake stories, I respond to some messages, and I'll make a plan for tomorrow. Sometimes I write it on a sticky note or a planner, but when I'm lazy, I'll just do it on my phone. I don't really set times for anything, I just write it down chronologically, what I want to get done the next day, so I can kind of just sort of sort out my thoughts, and this really helps me reduce my stress and get excited for the day to come. After setting my alarm, I'll literally just watch some YouTube or Netflix for 10 to 15 minutes until I can't keep my eyes open anymore and know it's time to go to bed.